Welcome to the lecture series of MATLAB. This is third lecture and I am Dr. Richa Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss the display formats of MATLAB, how we are using the display formats in MATLAB. The format which is used in the MATLAB is short format. What do you mean by the short format? First, I did the clear screen by the CLC command. I'm using format short and did the enter. Now when I am putting some value, it will give us this display 41.4287. Format short means that we are fixed point with 4 decimals, means that these last decimal values are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. By default we are having the format short in MATLAB, but if for the scientific calculations, if we want to make the format change, then we are having other formats also, which I am discussing in this lecture. Next one is format long. Now look into this. When I did format long, it will display this value. It consists of 14 decimal digits. These after point we are having the 14 decimal values. So according to the algorithm's requirement, we can change the format of the program whether we want short or long. Then we are having format short E. This is for scientific notation with 4-digit decimals. When I did this, for example, it gives the 4.1429 E plus 0.01. So it is the scientific notation with 4 decimal digit. Then next one is format long E. Enter. It will give us the answer. Scientific notation with 15 decimal digits. It gives us the 15 decimal digits. But by default we are using the format short. Then we are having format short G. Format short G. This gives the best of 5-digit fixed or floating points. If I am taking one example, it will show the 5 fixed floating points 1.429. And if I am doing the same thing, format long G, format long G, and with the same example we are getting best of 15-digit fixed or floating points. Here we are having these 15 values. So this is the formats: format short, format long, format short E, format long E, format short G, format long G. Then next one is format bank. With same example, it will give 2-digit decimal digits. It gives only 2 decimal digits, just 41.43. Then format compact. It is same as format long, short, all we did previous, but it compacts the output display. It eliminates the empty lines to allow more lines with information displayed on the screen. As if I'm using this, checking example. Now look into, compare the above, this one and this one. Here when I put 290 by 7, it eliminates the extra lines. As you see here, the empty space before the answer and after the answer, but here the empty space is eliminated. So it eliminates empty lines to allow more lines with information displayed on the screen. Then format loose. It is opposite to format compact. It gives the same output as it create the empty lines before and after the answers. So these are the different types of formats which we are using in the MATLAB. Hope you understand this video lecture, and thank you very much.